Hello everyone, and welcome to today's expiry special video. So basically, as you might have known, we earlier had few positions open in our Zerodha. So basically, the two earlier positions which were open were a single like diagonal spread which we had, and a double diagonal spread which we had. So what I did was, so basically the single leg diagonal spread, I basically booked it on last Thursday itself with a profit of about 370 rupees. But I have not closed it yet in my Opstra account. The reason for this, I like wanted to show you all like what it is like if we don't exit positions or take loss, which are basically within our risk management limit. So basically, this is the position which we had, and on the last Thursday itself, so I had a bit of an anticipation like market might go up beyond this break even. So basically, the break even for these positions were about 17,806 and 18,246, and I had a feeling that market might go up beyond this, and so that's the reason I basically booked profit which I had that time, which is 370 rupees, and then exited this position. But as you can see, if I had continued this position till today expiry, then it would have given me a loss of about 2,500 rupees, which is quite big than what the profit which I got earlier, which is good enough, which is a good enough profit rather than taking a loss of 2,500 rupees. Also today, uh, basically I continued my another position till to the expiry, which is the double diagonal spread, which is this. And one of the interesting thing I saw today, I'd like to share with you guys. So basically, this is today's market daily chart, 5 minutes chart, and today market basically gapped up a lot, about 18,277 it open, and as you can see, the break-evens for this position were around 200, 1800, 18,235 itself. But what I did was I continued this continued to keep this position open, and at the time it was showing about 2,500 rupees loss, similar to the single diagonal spread. But I kept that position open, and after waiting for some time, like around somewhere around 11 10:45, 10:40, I basically saw that market is basically maintaining this position and it is getting sufficient supply demand from over here, from its lower levels, which is basically 18 to 64 and 260. And then what I saw that I basically should exit this position because the loss which was earlier when the market opened, which it showed about 2,500 rupees, it had got reduced to about 1,500 rupees, which was quite under my risk management, which is about 1% of my capital. And basically I booked that loss and I exited that position. One of the good This was one of the good thing which I did, because as you can see, market did a very wild move. After that it went above 18,320, then it went again back to 18,255, and then it went again up from here. I don't know why bank nifty went like a rocket over here and pushed nifty as well up, and basically it went till 18,345. The As you can see, like if I did not had booked my loss over here of 1,500 rupees, then and continued and kept it till the end, then what would had the position be? So for your reference, I've kept that position in my Opstra profile, so that you can have an understanding of it. So as you can see, the total loss finally, which is shown over here, is 3,955 rupees, which is quite big than what I had booked of 1,500 rupees. The reason, as you can see, for me to book it earlier, which was under my risk management, was like market was showing signs of strength, and there was no reason to be in that trade and to incur more risk and more loss. So rather than taking more risk, we should exit such positions and always respect market. Market is always superior, and we should not try to fight with market itself. And if the losses are within our range, then we should basically take exit from that trade and basically book that loss, and then we can basically recover that loss later on when we are in a better state of mind and the market itself is good to take provisions. After that, I basically did some certain trades of scalping for today, and I reduced my loss from 1500 to 7 around 1000 rupees. So this remaining 300 300 rupees is basically from the position profit is from my new position. So basically, I by the end I took another position, which is basically a single diagonal spread similar to the one which I booked on Thursday. In this, I basically bought a November monthly expiry 18,800 call, and against that I sold an 18,500 call of next week. So basically, this is the payoff graph for this, and the break even for this are basically 18,118 and 18,703. The reason for taking such position is like, if market keeps this momentum of bullishness ahead of results which are present in this week and upcoming week, then market might go up, and this position would give me a good profit. But if market does not move, keep this momentum, and there is a bit of a profit booking which comes, then it would go down. Then this 18,800 will go position will give a small loss, but this 18,500 would basically give us the entire premium. And even if it gives a bigger loss, we would basically roll over to the next week and short another call in the next week and continue this till November end, until and unless we get sufficient profits. So basically, this is what we can see over here. And yeah, so this is the an important learning which we saw today in market. Like, it is important to take losses when they are within our reach and within our limit, rather than waiting like if market and thinking like market will reverse and we would get some lesser loss from over here. That thinking, it is okay to think like that, but we should always respect market and respect our risk management, and try to take losses which are within our reach and exit from position which makes us uncomfortable. So yeah, if you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe this channel, and share with your friends so that they can use this information and increase their knowledge about market itself. Sure. Thank you.